I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import journal entries in Odoo. Importing journal entries can significantly streamline your accounting workflow, saving you valuable time and reducing manual data entry. We will cover preparing your data, navigating the Odoo interface, and successfully validating your import. This guide will help you efficiently manage your financial records. First, prepare your data in a spreadsheet. You can use programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Ensure your file is saved in a CSV or XLSX format for Odoo compatibility. Key columns to include are the accounting date, journal name, account code, debit amount, and credit amount. You might also add fields for partner names, transaction labels, and analytic accounts for more detailed tracking. Now let's move to Odoo. Navigate to the accounting application. From there, find and select journal entries. You will then see an Import Records option, often found under the Favorites menu or as a direct button. Click this to open the Import Wizard. Here, you will upload your carefully prepared CSV or XLSX file from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, Odoo will display a mapping interface. Carefully match each column from your file to the correct Odoo field, such as account code to account. It is crucial to use the Test Import button to identify and correct any potential errors before proceeding. After a successful test, click Import to finalize and create your journal entries in Odoo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.